Welcome to AJ New Dimensions channel. Yeah, today we are going to be vlogging while I'm cooking, and today I'm going to cook what we call kienyeji, mukimo. Mukimo, we call it mukimo. Mukimo consists of beans, maize and peas, and also it can be done with some leaves that we have. But today I'm going to do with only peas and maize and potatoes. So welcome, and I'm going to make it with chicken. Okay, yeah, road runner chicken. Yes, welcome so much. Welcome. Guys, this is the chicken. I've already cut it into small pieces, into some pieces. Yeah, so we are first going to boil it. This is the chicken. We are going to boil it first, and then I'm going to show you how we are going to make it. So welcome. Yeah, so I'm going to boil it. I'm going to boil it in a pressure cooker because the chicken is not soft, it's hard. So to soften it very quickly, I'm going to do it in a pressure cooker. So we are going to give it some few minutes, the peas and the maize and plus the chicken. We are going to give it some few minutes, yeah, so that they can cook, and then we will do the next step. Pause. Salt. And then it's time to mash. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So now we are going to do the last process. And the last process is to fry it. We are going to fry it with onion and only oil, cooking oil. So let's fry it. Green onion and oil. Yeah, you put a substantial amount of oil. Not too little oil and not too much. Chicken is boiling. Let's cook the onion because we are going to fry the chicken. In fact, I'm not going to fry it before I deep fry it. So I'm going to deep fry it in oil and then I fry it. So let's use the oil to deep fry it fast so that I can dry it in the oil. This is another way of cooking this chicken. In here, now we are going to start frying our mukimo. just put it inside, fry all of it to give it a better taste. Now, some don't fry, some just eat it like that. But as for me, I prefer frying it. So it gives me that better taste. Mukimo is ready. Our mukimo is ready. So we are just going to put a lid on it and just put it aside. Let me show you how it comes out. This is how it is. This is how our mukimo is. It's very ready and very yummy, very nice. So let us put it aside and let's start working on the chicken. This is our boiled chicken. So I'm just going to deep fry it in the oil just for some few seconds, and then I go to the next step. So let's deep fry it for some few minutes just to dry it. I want it to dry.